How do you make it sustainable? How do you keep at it week after week? Hey, I'm back. It's been a hot minute since I've made a YouTube video, but I am back. I'm Alex, and as always, I want to dive right into it. But before we do, please hit subscribe so you never miss a new video. New videos are being coming out every single Monday, so hit subscribe so you never miss one. Damn, it feels good to be back on YouTube. And today I want to talk about building a sustainable beauty business. In beauty business, we are always talking about building. We are always talking about growing. We are always talking about attracting more clients. But what happens when you are there? When you are booked and busy? When you maybe even are overbooked and overbusy? Or you're on your way there. You just haven't hit that burnout point yet. And trust me, I hope this video gets to you before you hit that burnout point, because it is not something to be glamorized. So how do you make it sustainable? How do you keep after it week after week, month after month, year after year? Especially if you're a one-woman show. I've hit that burnout point a couple times in my business. I wish I didn't have to say that. But at each of those points, I made a decision to start building beyond my one-on-one client. And I am so grateful that I did. And I am going to share my story with you in an upcoming video, but basically what needs to happen is a shift in mindset, a change in how you operate, a change from hustle to flow, a change in beliefs that the only way to make money in your beauty business is through seeing clients. And I get it, it's so instilled into us from the beginning of our career, from the beginning of our fundamentals course, that you need to get clients, that you need to keep booking clients to be successful. And so we dive into this go, 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 build, build, build mindset, adding more hours to our day, adding more days to our week to fit those clients and to keep booking clients. Because that was always the goal, right? That was my goal. And once I hit it, I very quickly realized that that was not what I wanted. And then the shift came, the shift that I am so grateful for, the shift that I want to share with you. So how do we make it sustainable if you are already at that overbooked, overworked, burnout point? Or I hope I'm catching you before you hit that point. We shift our mindset, we set boundaries, and we make a plan to build beyond. Shifting your mindset, changing your beliefs. In theory, it sounds simple. You just change the way you think about something. In this case, you change how you think about making money in the beauty industry. And you're right, in concept, it is easy, but when these beliefs, these mindsets run deep, we really have to work to change our thought pattern on them. You are basically reprogramming your brain to think in a new way. So we need to ingrain these new thought patterns, these new beliefs in every thought that we have, in every action that we take. We need to start operating and acting in a way that makes our new beliefs real in our reality. So we take our first action step, which is setting boundaries. Boundaries are key to creating sustainability. By setting boundaries and sticking to them, you will never put yourself in a position to be overworked. The problem isn't setting the boundaries though. The problem is keeping the boundaries. Whether it's because a client asked us to fit her in after hours, or because we want to squeeze in a few extra clients, make a few extra dollars before going on vacation. Breaking the boundaries are easy, and once you break them, it's so easy to continue breaking them. And before you know it, the boundary is totally gone and you're overworked again. Especially when clients start to see that you are willing to push or break your boundaries, because they will keep pushing to get what they want. Not in a malicious way, but because as humans, we are selfish. We always want what we want, so we're gonna push to get that. So create some boundaries, turn them into policies, and stick with them. And finally, make a plan to build beyond. The plan to build beyond was easy for me when I hit my burnout point, when I hit my breaking point, because I was literally thinking there's no way I can do this for the rest of my life. But it's not always easy to do before you hit that breaking point, because believe me, I would have done it long before had I known. Or even sometimes when you are at your breaking point because you don't feel you have the capacity to plan a way out of it to build beyond. But I'll say it again, I'm hoping this reaches you before you hit that point. It's almost another mindset shift here. I guess it's true. Everything really does come back to mindset and your thoughts, because really there is a better way. There's a better way to do it. There's an easier way to do it. It doesn't always have to be hard. It doesn't always have to be a grind. It can be fun. It can be easy, and you can make lots of money while you're doing it. And your first step to building beyond is to give yourself a raise, to increase your prices. And not to worry, I have a brand new free masterclass coming out to show you exactly how to give yourself a raise and increase your prices in your studio so you can start to create more sustainability right now. So sign up for the free Give Yourself a Raise masterclass. The link is in the caption, and I can't wait to show you how you can start building beyond and how there is a better way. See you next week. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a video.